is a great pleasure to welcome all the participants, all the students for a great platform which is so-called as Electrifyn 5.0, which is a major event in KIIT FEST 2019. It is a very good platform for the students where the student community, industry community, the academician only join together to share their innovation, creativity and also values in terms of research.
KIIT FEST is organizing tons of events this time. Even Electrifyn, our department is organizing such innovative events. I'm pretty much confused. What should I do right now?
You are confused. That's the best option. IEEE is organizing a 3-day workshop in an electric vehicle. The giant speaker like Toyota and Tech Mahindra will be coming, and you'll get a hands-on experience about all the electric vehicle basics. So I request you guys to join the workshop, and Anubhav, you should also join the workshop.
Cool. I'm just mesmerized by this workshop. Guys, are you also listening this? Do register for it.
Do register.
Thank you.
Innovation is a change that unlocks new values. So Tanisha, what's your perspective about innovation?
When you take technology and mix it with something creativity, you come up with new ideas. Therefore, this event is all about smart innovation and technology. There are 3 rounds and your first round is quiz round.
Second round is PowerPoint presentation.
And third round is the ultimate round where you have to bring your models, your innovative idea, where you have implemented your innovative ideas. And therefore we are entering to the innovation zone, so please come up with great ideas.
And remember, innovation is the only way to win.
Do register for soon.
First, we introduce to this event which consists of 3 rounds. First round we have our quiz or MCQ test. It's kind of very basic. When you are headed towards the second round, you are given some circuits. You need to find the faulty elements or what is the fault in that circuit.
Third round is a sort of adventures, right? Because we can't tell the exact thing right now. You may be given a sort of hardware implementation or a treasure hunt sort of something where some components will be given and you need to find the exact component of the accurate required rating.
Thank you guys. Do participate and do register in KIIT FEST. Thank you.
Hey Prajit, what are you working on?
I'm working on a solar-based car for the next race that is on Electrifyn.
Race and solar cars. How does it happen? Or what are you working on?
And don't you know that solar cars can race as well?
Solar cars do race?
Yeah, they do. If you want to witness that, you can come to our competition, Solar Spectrum, which will be held between 15 and 17 and comes under the banner of Electrifyn.
Well, what will I get out of this Solar Spectrum event?
Well, you can watch the different participants that will be coming from various parts of the world to compete, and they'll be bringing their own cars. There will be 2 rounds actually. Step 1 will be a speed test, round 2 will be a talk test. We'll have different arenas and the best competitor gets the prize.
Sounds interesting. Well guys, if you are listening there, do register for this event.
Allure all the people living in 21st century.
Do you seriously care about the future?
Do you care about the generations that are yet to come?
Do you care about the nature?
If yes, then let's focus on different innovative ideas of using and utilizing renewable resources in a better manner. This is Shubhadep from Design for Energy KIIT FEST 2019.
This is Sneha from Design for Energy KIIT FEST 2019.
So Design for Energy is an event to grab out innovative ideas of using and utilizing natural or renewable resources in a better manner.
Design for Energy is an event to know our mother nature. And it's good not to set an example for others to follow when it comes to conservation and utilization of natural resources in a better manner.
It's time that robots take over. We at KIIT Electrifyn 5.0 present to you the one-of-a-kind event, Robot Triathlon. In this event, the robot needs to compose of 3 aspects, which is the wrestle, the run, and the soccer. So, in this event, the robot must be strong and agile enough to overcome the hurdles in the obstacle course, and it should be strong enough to come up with the soccer game as well. So I hope to see all of you on the 15th, 16th and 17th of February. And yeah, may the best robot win.
Being the faculty in charge of Electrifyn 5.0, I do welcome all the participants over here in KIIT University, Bhubaneswar, for making this grand occasion a successful and enriching occasion over here. And here we do have 6 number of events. It will be completely full of fun-filling and enriching experience. So I do like to welcome you all over here and enjoy the KIIT Fest. Thank you.
Guys, are you ready?